What if Toyota's toughest full-size truck just got even tougher? Well, that's exactly what's happening, because the 2027 Toyota Tundra is finally getting the legendary Trailhunter treatment. And if you love off-road adventures, this could be the most exciting Tundra yet. Welcome to Future Wheels.
Toyota has already made the Trailhunter badge a favorite among overlanding enthusiasts with the Tacoma and 4Runner, and now the full-size Tundra is joining the family. But this isn't just another appearance package. It's built to tackle serious terrain straight from the factory. The biggest upgrades are underneath the truck. The new Tundra Trailhunter comes equipped with Old Man Emu suspension, designed to deliver better control and comfort over rough trails. It also rides on Michelin LTX trail tires, wrapped around exclusive 18-inch bronze wheels, giving it a rugged stance that's impossible to ignore. Add in front recovery hooks, extra skid plates, a locking rear differential, and Toyota's multi-terrain select system, and you've got a truck that's ready for mud, rocks, sand, or just about anything nature throws at it. The exterior also receives a subtle but aggressive makeover. Exclusive Trailhunter badging, a tougher front fascia, and adventure-inspired styling help it stand out from the rest of the Tundra lineup. It's bold without being overdone, striking the perfect balance between work truck and weekend explorer. Inside, Toyota has modernized the entire Tundra lineup for 2027. Every model now features a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen as standard, along with AT&T 5G connectivity for faster online services. A factory-installed driver recorder dash camera adds extra peace of mind, while improved LED lighting and available rigid fog lights make nighttime adventures even safer.
Under the hood, Toyota hasn't confirmed every detail yet, but the Trailhunter is expected to be based on the SR5 trim and use the familiar 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6. Whether Toyota adds the powerful iForce Max hybrid remains to be seen, so we'll have to wait for the final specifications later this year. With factory-engineered off-road hardware, modern technology, and Toyota's reputation for reliability, the 2027 Tundra Trailhunter looks ready to challenge trucks like the Ford F-150 Tremor, Ram Rebel, and Chevrolet Silverado ZR2.
So, what do you think? Is the new Trailhunter exactly what the Toyota Tundra needed, or would you still choose one of its American rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Future Wheels, and we'll see you in the next one.